What is up, my people? This is Legend FX. Welcome to my YouTube channel once more. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. This is going to be the weekly market outlook from 28th to 24th of January 2025, and I'll be covering the pairs I trade personally. That would be US30, NAS 100, Gold, GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, and Euro JPY. Let's dive right into the market. Now, for US30, you guys know this market has been very bullish, and I am also bullish on the market. What I've been expecting from this market all this while is just to stay in on a trend. I've just been staying in on the trend. That's how I trade based on my trading concept. Now, last week I was expecting this market to rise all the way, to rise from this level all the way back up here. Market hasn't done that yet. It hasn't completed the move yet, but for some time we've been in massive profits. What I would expect this market do is based on what the 4-hour time frame is also telling me. Let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, market has been also moving up from the level I expected it to move from here. Since last week I've been expecting market to move from here to this level, and indeed market has just done that, and perhaps grabbing liquidity just above these levels. I would have this level drawn because it has been taken out. And market is currently within the zone. But because the market doesn't move in a straight line, but rather moves in impulsive ways and corrective ways, because it moves in an impulsive wave and then a corrective wave, I would want to see this market taken out. Because it has taken out this low, I would want to see this market drop a little further, test somewhere here, come back into my zone, and then I'll be looking to sell this market all the way down here. Probably this is going to be my first point of interest. If I am going to look for any other thing, it should be within this zone. Then from this level, probably into, it should be within this zone, probably into this level as well. That's what I will be expecting for this week. This is going to be my bias for this week. So I'll be looking for my sell setups regardless of what the market will be doing. Let's move on to the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, a trend line here, where I would expect this market drop a little further, come test the trend line, move back into my zone, then I'll be looking to sell from this level back down to this level right here, and perhaps even breaking it within this level, breaking this minor level here down to the main level, the main zone. I'll be expecting this market to do something like this. Let's move on to NAS 100. The market has actually tapped the zone, but it's kind of like in here, it doesn't really enter into my zone. So I would wait patiently. Until market actually gets into my zone. 1-hour time frame will do. I would expect the market to do for NAS 100 as well. Not much. Let's move on to gold. Gold, last week market was around this level. It was around this level, and we expected market to drop, come test this sort of a triangular pattern, then move back up to 2720 level. and market just did that. Market has done exactly what we expected. So what is next for gold? I would want to see this market. You see, this market is currently at this level. It is within this zone, and because market is currently within this zone actually caused a break of structure right here. It broke structure here. I'll probably expect a little reversal into any of my possible zones where I could probably take this market back up. You know, the market has been moving up from here. It's been forming higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So I'll probably be looking for my buy setups only. So I would expect market can test any of the levels here, then move back up to this level. Probably that's what I would expect. But then when and where would the market reverse is the issue here. So what I would probably do is, it's either I would draw my Fibonacci from the swing point, the swing low to the swing high, and look for possible entry zones. So I would probably just take out the Fibonacci, but it's in this sort of a channel. So moving on to the 1 hour time frame. Yes, so I would mark up my 1 hour zones, which would probably be, I would have my first zone here. This is going to be my first zone of interest. The second zone of interest would probably be this zone, and the last of them all would probably be this zone right here. Market reverses into any of these zones or any of these regions, I'll be looking to buy. If market reverses into this level, I'll be looking to buy back to 2720 level. Anytime market reverses into this zone, anytime market reverses into any of these zones, if it comes to this level, it will be a perfect buy. 2680 level. Let's move on to GBP USD. Next week, because of the inauguration of President Donald Trump, I would expect the dollar to be bullish within the first days of the week and the first days of Trump in office. So I would expect the XY to be bullish, and perhaps GBP USD dropping a little further into my zone, and then I'll be looking to ride it back up to this level, probably on the XY, and then this is my bias on GBP USD. Let's move on to Euro USD. For Euro USD as well, so because I would expect the dollar to be bullish, I'll probably expect this to drop, can't touch or test this level, probably go below it to somewhere around 1.150 level, then I'll be looking to buy all the way back up here. Drop a little more further into the zone properly, then I'll ride it back up, probably seeing it at parity. That would be a great opportunity for me to buy. So whatever may be the case, I'm actually buying Euro USD from next week. Mind you, this is not a signal, this is me giving out my bias based on my trading concepts. Moving on to GBP JPY. So for GBP JPY, you know, market has been rising from this level, from 179 level to 208 level, and last week we actually expected some moves. Market is currently in a no man's zone. It's been forming some messy structures within these two boundaries, within the 208 level, which is the high, and then the low to be 179 level. Now let's move on to the 4-hour time frame and then have our view on what we expected last week and what market actually did. So on the 4-hour time frame, last week market was around this region. Market was around somewhere this region, this zone, and we expected market to drop, come test this particular level, the 190 level, and move back up to this level. Market didn't get there, it actually reversed all the way back down to this level. Alright, so what is next for GBP JPY? For GBP JPY, if you understand market structures, if you understand wave analysis, you would know that market has been dropping from here. Market formed a low, a high, a lower low, a lower high, and the last lower low. You would know that we would have our first wave. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. If you understand market analysis, or if you understand wave analysis. So what do I expect from this particular pair? Market is currently within this zone. It has actually tapped into the zone, but then hasn't really entered it. So I would actually wait a little longer for it to get into my zone. Now, what do I expect? Since market has been falling, and then I will actually probably look for my sell setups. Let's move on to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I would actually draw my Fibonacci. I'll actually draw my Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low, where I would mark my 50% and then the 61.8 level. It has this sort of supply zone right here, and I would mark the 100% level as well. So this zone as well, taking into consideration the main zone that actually caused the last wave. What do I expect from the market? So with my trading concept, and then based on the fundamentals that is actually going to come this Friday, with the Bank of Japan going to increase their interest rate from, we expect the Bank of Japan to increase their interest rate from 25 basis points to 50 basis points. So they are going to increase it by 25 basis points. What do I expect? I would expect on Monday, Tuesday, this market should actually stay within this ranges, what is been forming all here, or perhaps probably drop a little more further, taking liquidity below this, come into my zone, then rise back up to this region. So anywhere within this zone, I'll be looking to sell this market back down, perhaps even taking this low. That's what I would expect. But if market rises up from this level to the high here, I'll be looking to sell back down to this level, and this would be my bias for GBP JPY. So I'll be looking to take sell positions when it comes into this zone. I'll be looking to take sell positions. Stop loss just above that level, and my TP will be way down here, probably 188, 185 level. Let me just put the TP here. And if it comes up to this level as well, I'll be looking to sell this market from there. Stop loss will be just above the top, and then sell is there. So TP will be all the way down to this level, probably. Yes. So that would be all for GBP JPY. Let's move on to Euro JPY. So moving on to Euro JPY as well. For Euro JPY, to market has been rising all the way from 153 level to 175.5 level, and market dropped abruptly from 175.5 level to 154 level, and after that drop, market has been sideways. It's been moving in some sort of a range or something. It's actually in a no man's zone currently. But then let's move on to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, last week we were expecting market was around this region. It was around here, around 161.5 level, and we analyzed and said market should actually probably drop from this level, come test our main zone here, rise back up to 163 level, and fall down to break this low that it actually caused over here. And indeed, look, market has done exactly what we expected. Market has done exactly what we expected. We actually had this zone. We had this zone here. Market tapped into the zone and fell down here, broke structure over here. It actually broke a structure right here. So what do I expect from this market next week? 1 hour time frame will do. So since market is been in a downtrend for some time on the 1 hour time frame, a low, a high, a lower low, a lower high, another lower low, what do I expect? Now I would have this region marked up, this whole zone. I would have this zone that caused the break of structure marked up. And I would actually draw my Fibonacci looking for possible entries or possible zones where I could probably get entries. So I'll draw my Fibonacci from the swing high to the swing low. And this 61.8 Fibonacci level happens to have this sort of a minor supply zone. Has this sort of a minor supply zone. So what do I expect? I'm actually expecting markets on Monday, Tuesday not to move or not to do much, but actually stay within this zone for some time. So Monday, Tuesday should stay a little longer into the zone, and then in the zone, and then on Tuesday, Wednesday we would have some movement into somewhere around this level, where I'll probably be expecting to sell from back down to this level as well. If market moves up from this level or from this zone back up to this whole region, I'll be looking to take sell positions from there to the low again. Based on what I said earlier, I'm expecting the yen to be bullish because of the interest rate that will be increased from 25 basis points to 50 basis points. So I would actually have my, when market gets into this zone, I would look at the candles, how they are forming. I would look at how market is going to react within this zone. Then I'll be looking to probably sell this market from there, from this whole region, and then my TP will be somewhere here. SL just above the top here, and TP is just here. If market moves higher before Friday and gets into this zone by Thursday, Friday, market is still within this zone, I'll be looking to take sell positions from this zone or this region all the way back down to this level as well. That would be all for this week, guys. If you happen to find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more weekly market outlook. Peace out.